Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about Taco Bell should have this side option. Doordash customer orders side of toilet paper with Indian food. You know, I've seen a lot of crazy things sold at restaurants and stuff like that, but I've never seen toilet paper. I feel like that should be in a lot of different restaurants, but that's not the point. I want to go over everything that's being said in this article on TikTok, how it actually is for gig workers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A woman went viral on TikTok after revealing that an Indian restaurant offered toilet paper as a side. So she ordered it with her meal via DoorDash. You know, honestly, that makes me a little concerned about the food, but it's so funny that I would probably do it too. Like, imagine if that's actually a menu item for something you're ordering and you see it and you're like, you know what, maybe I could use some toilet paper after this kind of meal, right? Like, I'm genuinely shocked that that's even an item. Are these the kind of people that were stocking up toilet paper in 2020 and they still have so much more to where they're trying to sell it to kind of recoup some of those earnings? Like, what's going on here? In the clip, user Emilyybaldwinnn at Emilyybaldwinnn shows a screen recording of her scrolling through an Indian restaurant's DoorDash menu. I'm gonna leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. So I'm ordering Indian food and I'm looking at all the sales because I want to see all my options, and I happen to come across this side. Baldwin says, cracking into laughter. She reveals a side of toilet paper where there's one roll for $1 and a 6-pack for $6. Out of curiosity, Baldwin ordered the side of toilet paper to see if she would actually receive it. Well, first off, if you order it and you don't receive it, you get a refund, or it's false advertising, because why the heck would that be the case? And second, is $1 a roll of toilet paper actually a good deal? Like, I feel like that's actually getting swindled in my opinion. But what do I know, right? In the caption, she asked the $1,000,000 question. Has anyone seen this as a side option before? Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. We've seen some crazy stuff before, but like, toilet paper? I feel like that would make me concerned on what it's gonna do to my digestive tract if I actually were to order this. The video amassed over 647,000 views since it was posted on October 17th, with commenters offering suggestions as to why the restaurant, fast casual Indian spot Rasa, would sell toilet paper along with its food. The things you do for content, huh? I think that's a holdover from 2020 when you could buy from restaurants, but so many retail stores were out of stock, one viewer wrote. Like I said, that's probably what happened. Like, they have so many rolls of toilet paper at this point, so that way they're trying to just make some of that money back. Probably left over from their 2020 listing. I remember when restaurants were selling everything. TP, gallons of milk, eggs, a second agreed. Now, I'm sure that TP was part of it. I've never seen gallons of milk and I've never seen eggs. That's new to me. I always thought that was just grocery apps. I remember when restaurants were doing this in 2020, my food came with free toilet paper, a third said. You were getting toilet paper for free in 2020? That's incredible, actually speaking, because people were running out of toilet paper last I checked. Others made jokes about needing toilet paper after eating meals from certain restaurants. Like I said, this is Taco Bell, this is a few Indian places, but if I were to see that as a menu option, I'd be a little concerned about the quality of their food. Dang, do they expect you to be on the toilet after you eat their food? One viewer joked. That's what I'm saying. Like, if that's the expectation, should I order food in this case? Taco Bell should have this as a side option, LOL. A second quipped. Yo, imagine if they actually branded their toilet paper to be Taco Bell toilet paper. Holy crap. I absolutely love Indian food, but after eating it, I'll need that toilet paper roll, a third commented. I don't even blame you. Some Indian places are actually really good. It's just been so long since I have actually eaten Indian food, actually speaking. In a follow-up video, Baldwin shares the unboxing of her DoorDash meal, which did include a roll of toilet paper. Baldwin laughs as she unveils a small roll of toilet paper that is at the very top of the order. Wait a minute, it's a small roll of toilet paper, not like a full roll that you'd get from like a packaging or something? That's kind of messed up. I wanted a full roll of toilet paper for $1. Come on. But at least they followed through, right? This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me? There we go. So, actually speaking, this seems like it's a combination of a 2020 rollover of actually having toilet paper in stock and them actually making money from it. It also seems like it fits the Indian food, like, genre to where people would need more toilet paper for Indian food. That's number two. And number three, I think we're also entering a recession. So having that extra menu item that is very low effort, that is just another source of income for people, it actually doesn't hurt. Now, do I think that this has expanded throughout all of the apps and even on their actual menu? I sincerely doubt it. But at the same time, I wouldn't be surprised if that were the case either. But you know what? This does raise a question. What else can you put on a restaurant menu that is very low effort? Like, this is literally put a roll in a bag and that's it. What else can you do in that case and then actually turn it into a source of income? And you could do a lot of things. Little things of hand sanitizer, maybe, batteries. I feel like I could go all day, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. But all in all, I think that it was a great opportunity for the Indian restaurant. I think it was really cool that this ended up as a menu item, and I think it was really funny that now the conversation has started. What else can you sell on DoorDash, on UberEats, on Grubhub, to where you could almost make money through very low effort items? Like, this is the point of convenience store delivery, actually, to where you have these low effort items and you sell them to people who are just looking for a couple of items. And now, since 7-Eleven is working with Skipcart and you can actually order from all of these places, will there come a day where there's a lot more convenience store items available even in restaurants so that way they can make more money? I don't know. I doubt it, to be honest, at least in the foreseeable future, or as long as Biden is attacking the gig economy. But honestly, I wouldn't put off the concept either. I do believe there's going to become a day where restaurants and convenience stores are going to start to merge. That's where the world is going. People are wanting to order on Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub. People don't want to make multiple orders. They want just the one order. That's why you see stacked orders between, let's say, this pizza place, and then you go to a 7-Eleven, but you drop off to the same place. Honestly, I'm kind of excited to see how this turns out long term. If this turns out to be something that people do overall, I'd be pretty happy about that, because that means the size of orders are going to be naturally bigger, which is going to lead to good tippers tipping even better. And if it's low effort items like that, you know that you're just going to be pooling in money at that point. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!